Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're diving deep into the Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool. And if you've been searching for a professional-grade diagnostic scanner that won't drain your wallet with monthly subscription fees, you need to hear this. This scanner is priced at $349.99. And here's the thing. It's sitting right in that sweet spot between basic code readers that only tell you there's a problem and those $1,000 dealership tools that most of us can't justify buying. So the real question is this product really worth buying? Let's talk numbers and real-world performance. The Innova 5610 features a 3.5-inch color display with physical buttons. No touchscreen here, but that's actually a good thing when you've got greasy hands in a garage. It comes with a 72-inch cable that easily reaches under your dash. And here's something cool. The connector has clear plastic with a built-in LED that lights up, so you can actually see what you're doing in those dark corners. The scanner works with most 1996 and newer OBD2 vehicles, and with an optional cable kit for $99, it even covers OBD1 vehicles from the early 90s. Now, what do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? This is where the Innova 5610 really shines. It can scan all vehicle systems, not just the engine. We're talking ABS, SRS airbag systems, transmission, TPMS tire pressure monitoring, and more. The bidirectional control feature lets you actually send commands to your vehicle's components. You can turn the fuel pump on and off, activate cooling fans, retract electronic parking brakes, basically test if components are actually working. The live data function shows you real-time information from multiple systems simultaneously. Things like engine RPM, fuel trim data, coolant temperature, throttle position, mass airflow, and you can view up to 4 graphs at the same time. This is dealership-level functionality. The tool supports over 36 special reset functions, including oil light reset, battery initialization, steering angle sensor calibration, throttle body relearn, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, TPMS relearn, suspension calibration, and even EV battery health checks for hybrid and electric vehicles. Why is this such a popular choice? Well, 3 major reasons. First, free lifetime updates with no subscription fees, ever. While competitors charge $50 to $100 per year for software updates, Innova gives you everything for free. You just connect via USB-C to your computer and update when new vehicle coverage is added. Second, it pairs with the Repair Solutions 2 app via Bluetooth, which has been trusted by over 4 million users. This app gives you ASE-Master Technician-verified repair solutions specific to your vehicle's trouble codes, so you're not just guessing what's wrong, you're getting expert guidance. The app also provides technical service bulletins, recall information, and even predictive diagnostics. Third, you get US-based technical support from ASE-certified experts Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time. When you're stuck, you can actually call someone who knows what they're talking about. The device weighs just 12.4 ounces and measures 7.4 by 4 by 1.3 inches, so it's compact enough to store in your glove box or toolbox. It runs on 3 AAA batteries, but here's the brilliant part. It can also run directly off your vehicle's OBD2 port power, so you never have to worry about dead batteries when you need it most. It supports English, Spanish, and French languages, making it accessible to a wider range of users. The scanner comes with a rugged rubber bumper case that protects it from drops and keeps it from sliding around on surfaces. In testing across multiple vehicles, reviewers found 5,610 accurately diagnosed issues ranging from oxygen sensor failures to alternator problems to boost sensor malfunctions. One reviewer who uses it professionally at an automotive auction scans 150 to 200 cars every week and says it's about 4 times faster at connecting and reading codes than scanners costing twice as much. The tool passed smog readiness tests, identified vacuum leaks through live fuel trim data, and successfully performed battery and charging system tests. For DIYers and shade tree mechanics, this means you can diagnose the problem yourself, order the right parts the first time, and avoid the diagnostic fees that shops charge, which typically run $100 to $150 just to plug in and tell you what's wrong. Over the life of the tool, that saves you serious money. The coverage varies by vehicle make, model, and year, which is why Innova provides a coverage checker on their website. You can enter your specific vehicle and see exactly what functions the 5610 can perform on your car before you buy. This transparency is something most companies don't offer. Real users report that setup takes just minutes, The scanner begins reading codes almost immediately upon connection, and the menu navigation is straightforward even for beginners. One Amazon reviewer who rates professional shop scanners at a 10 out of 10 gave the Innova 5610 a 9.3, comparing it to dealership-level scanners, saying best tool for at-home doers that don't want to pay 3 to 5 times the cost of repairs. Another user successfully diagnosed a steering angle sensor issue on a 2001 BMW, something that typically requires computer-based programming. The tool helped another owner pass California smog testing by monitoring readiness status and fuel trims after fixing a vacuum leak. At $349.99, you're getting professional-grade diagnostics, lifetime free updates, expert repair guidance through the app, and US-based technical support. Compare that to basic code readers at $100 that only read engine codes, or professional tablet scanners at $800 to $1,000 plus annual subscription fees. The Innova 5610 delivers exceptional value in that middle ground. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.